2026 saw steady momentum across the drone sectors, with fresh investments, manufacturing expansions, and new technological developments. Welcome back to Drone Helpline. Here are the 20 key updates shaping the drone industry. Government of India allows force majeure relief for contracts impacted by the ongoing West Asia conflict, with eligible projects receiving 2 to 4 month deadline extensions without penalties. ISS Aerospace unveils HAL10 Hybrid Air-Systems Launcher, a modular platform enabling rapid multi-UAV deployment for defense and security operations. UAV TECH Aerospace successfully tests indigenous M165 STOL UAV prototype, boosting India's self-reliant defense aerospace innovation drive. Indian drone firms like Indian Robotics Solution, InsideFPV Drones, and Zuppa Geo navigation technologies deliver 150 plus, hundreds, and 500 plus combat UAVs to the Indian Army under rapid defense contracts. India launches iDEX ADITI 4.0 with 25 defense problem statements to boost deep tech innovation across Army, Navy, Air Force, and space security sectors. Indian Navy plans to acquire Manta autonomous ship-launched drone to strengthen maritime ISR, precision targeting, and situational awareness. Indian Army-led Exercise Jal Rahat 2026 at IIT Guwahati showcased drone-based delivery of medical supplies to flood-isolated areas through a joint operation by the RPTO team and IIT Guwahati drone team. Sarla Aviation signs MOU with ASTER MEDCITY to explore eVTOL air ambulance services aimed at improving emergency medical response in India. The Government of India grants arms manufacturing license to Zen Technologies Limited for rapid-fire 12.7 mm to 40 mm cannons to boost air defense, naval, and counter-drone capabilities. India advances indigenous strike drone capability as Hoverit's Divyastra Mk2 begins taxi trials with 2,000 km range and 100 kg payload potential. Noida-based Maraal Aerospace successfully flight tests solar-powered UAV Tejas-1, advancing long-endurance sustainable drone technology. Delhi Development Authority is about to complete drone survey of 165 square kilometer Yamuna floodplain O-zone within 2 months under Phase 2 documentations. CSIR National Aerospace Laboratories signs technology licensing deal with KRR Aerospace Private Limited for mass production of Q-plane eVTOL, boosting India's advanced air mobility push. DRDO-developed D4 anti-drone system, which draws reported interest from Taiwan after successful deployment by Indian security forces. Drone Spots India unveils Dhanush, India's fully indigenous FPV transmitter to boost domestic drone racing, education, and self-reliance in drone tech. Lucknow's AMC Center hosted drone familiarization training for AFMS brigadier rank officers to strengthen operational readiness and emergency response capabilities. FICCI Roundtable on Draft Defense Acquisition Procedure 2026 highlights faster procurement, stronger accountability, and innovation-focused reforms with inputs from DRDO and Ministry of Defense. FedEx and Indian Institute of Technology Madras completes India's urban drone delivery trial, cutting delivery time to as low as 21 minutes. French startup AERIX Systems unveils omnidirectional propulsion technology, enabling drones to maneuver faster, stay level, and improve precision beyond conventional quadrocopters. Airbound completes 700 plus zero-failure drone deliveries for Narayana Health in Bengaluru, cutting diagnostic sample transit time on a 4-kilometer route to just 10 minutes. We hope that you have liked our video, viewers. If you did, then do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And for more informative content about drones from all over the world, keep watching Drone Helpline.